friends, welcome to Vanderbilt. Today, I'll be showing you the Kosson Lab space and telling you a little bit about what we do in the lab. We are located in Jacobs Hall, right next door to Feather and Gill, and share a large lab space with 3 other research groups.
My name is Autumn, and I'm a second-year PhD student in the Chemical Engineering program. The Kosson Lab focuses primarily on waste management and environmental remediation of chemical and radionuclide contaminants. We combine experimental lab work with simulations and modeling to better understand the long-term impacts of disposal and use this information to help inform future decisions and policy making. My research specifically looks at the transport and reaction of radionuclide contaminants at the interface between cementitious materials and carbonate rocks in the case of nuclear waste disposal in boreholes. My goal is to characterize these interfacial interactions and their effects on the chemomechanical properties of the materials, as well as simulate the alteration zone using reactive transport models to better understand the impacts of long-term waste disposal. The projects in our lab are funded by a number of organizations in the U.S., such as the Consortium for Risk Evaluation with Stakeholder Participation, the Department of Energy, the Environmental Protection Agency, and the National Nuclear Security Administration. We also collaborate with 6 national labs and many other countries like Israel, Australia, the UK, and the Netherlands. We are fortunate to have a variety of different instruments available for sample characterization right in the heart of our lab space, such as an inductively coupled plasma mass spectrometer, an inductively coupled plasma optical emission spectrometer, a laser ablation system, a thermogravimetric analysis mass spectrometer, a total organic carbon analyzer, and an ion chromatograph. Tucked away in one of our back rooms, we also have a Hysotron tribone denter, which measures a variety of mechanical properties on the nanoscale. In the same room, we also have an environmental scanning electron microscope with both energy dispersive X-ray spectroscopy and electron backscatter diffraction measurement capabilities. We recruit a variety of PhD students from different engineering specialties, which makes for an extremely diverse and collaborative research environment. With all of the different students working and different projects running, it's almost guaranteed that anything you need is just a room away. On the off chance it isn't, you can take advantage of the structures lab right next door. From customizing saws to sample holders, our on-staff mechanic Rich can help you put anything together to fit your project needs. This is the polishing lab, where a lot of mechanical sample preparation happens and where I spend a majority of my time working on my project. Lately, my days have been spent cutting and polishing my samples to prepare them for characterization on the SEM EDS and the tribone denter. Some days, it works perfect, and other days, not so much. In spite of the ups and downs, the best part of research with this group is knowing you always have a team to help you out and lift your spirits after a long day. I could not be more honored to be a member of this group and have a place I look forward to working at every single day. Thanks for watching and learning more about what we do in our laboratory. I hope you'll consider joining us this fall.